Popsy need to wear this singlet. They go wear them, enter town, use them oppress people. They go to say the army.
Will you keep quiet?
Man enter town first. They go wear them.
What type of plane
I
is
mean
this?
town. Hello?
Yes, is this Marvelous father?
Yes.
Your son was caught on an army uniform or an army singlet rather, parading himself around the town as an army. And you know that's an impersonation. But since he's just a young boy, we're going to forgive him, but we'll deal with him very well here before allowing him to go.
Okay. When I deal with him there, when he come home, I will still deal with him here also.
But sir, we'll beat him very well here. There'll not be need for you to beat him again.
That one no concern me. When I do now there, when he come home, I will still give him what he deserve here.
But we're up to 3. I mean 3 army that want to deal with him here.
I even 3 when I be safe.
She what?
I say when I go reach like 5, I want to beat him there.
Shy.
But no wahala sha. When I do now there, when he come home, I go still beat him. So that when I reach 100, they want beat him. That one no concern me. When he reach house, I go still give him my own beating. When I do now there, thank you. Bye bye.
Hey, come. Your pan a military man or na commander for army before? Eh?
No, na disciplinary.
Oh, no wonder. You don't die.
Oh, na cloth una wear o. Buy me cloth una wear o. Buy me cloth o. Na waste o. My back o. Na me dey beat guy.
Don't die.
Sorry o.
You never die yet. You're about to.
Photo.
You gonna explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
Marvelous, what is it?
Popsy, I'm depressed.
Are you sure you are depressed so you need money?
Popsy, don't catch me.
She what?
I need money. I really need money.
Jesus!
What type of plane is this?
Eh? First time money is coming out from my Popsy pocket. Gee. Eh? I thought you were the poorest man in the whole world. People like say they leave that title small. See money now, see ATM card. Man.
First time money is coming out from your Popsy pocket. First time in history. Interesting. First class insult. You see why people don't help? Receiver the insult giver. The insult your helper. Don't worry. I will show you that the pocket that money came out from the first time, the cane, the weapon, the rod, the wire that be coming out from there can still come out from there.
No. You gonna explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
Pops is not like that. I know it's not like that, eh? I know what it is like.
Sorry yo.
Don't worry, just lie down.
Photo.
Pops is not like that.
He shot you.
I know it is not like that. I know what it is like, eh? Just lie down.
Photo.
Popsy. Popsy killed here. Lie down.
Sorry yo.
Popsy. Yeah. Popsy, you're the richest man in the whole world, though. Yeah. Popsy, I was on colors when I said it, though. Hey, Is it like you money to come up from pocket yaga yaga? Ah.
Marvelous. Popsy, come here. Popsy, I'm going out. Take care of yourself. Don't misbehave and avoid silly behaviors. I hear you, sir. Is that understood? Yes, Popsy. Because you know what I can do if that happens? Yes, sir. See you later.
What type of plane is this?
When I dress like this now and go out, all the girls will just be dying for me. They'll be like, Marvelous, that fine boy, that boy is too fine.
You be mumu.
Calling for me.
Continue.
Fine boy like me. Yes. Popsy,
He shock you. You gonna explain tire.
I'm going out. Take care of yourself. Don't misbehave and avoid silly behaviors. I hear you, sir. You know I only gave you 6. This is just a warning. When this happens, I'll give you 32 scores for this wire. Don't try me.
Run for your life.
Hey, Marvelous, don't think of running. Don't think of running. I can run very well. I will catch you. So no need.
Photo.
Back to business. Marvelous, don't misbehave. Avoid silly behaviors. But you decided to do your own. Okay.
You gonna explain tire.
Supposed to hear of this. There is God, oh.
Popsy, please. It's not yet my time.
It's not yet your time to do what?
It's not yet my time to die.
Who said you would die?
What you're about to do might kill me.
I will not kill you, don't worry. You will not die. You will only be dealt with.
Sorry, yo.
That's the thing.
You only you waka come.
Don't worry. I'm giving you only 32 of this.
Chai.
Ah!